What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance. It's the 26th of November. Taking a look here at the daily chart, ticker symbol AERO, USD, US dollar pair, and Coinbase is where the price data is from here. So similar to Bitcoin yesterday's pretty hard reversal, bearish engulfing candle. We have a bearish engulfing candle here on Aero. So basically what that means is we made a new high, we made a we made a new low, and we closed lower on the day. It engulfs the previous day's candle, and it's bearish because it closed lower than the previous day. That's what we saw yesterday. We got some pretty solid resistance here, guy. This would be the third day recently at the 140.71 price level. That's this blue line right here. That's market resistance. It acted as some resistance back in here, basically the 13th, 15th, 16th as well. But the past 3 days, we've had solid resistance at that level, trying to get above it and pushed back below. Right now, we're seeing if the chart can hold the 129,450, the 128 level. Yeah, 129,450 is let's see where we're at here. 129,450 is our blue line. So we're actually below that. 128 is our white line. We have some support there. And then just above that, I believe, is 128,300. That's what it is, 128,300. So that's that. I also have this little pennant drawn here on the chart. Again, I don't give it a ton of weight, but it is forming this. Essentially, it's a pattern that has higher lows, but also has lower highs, and they get tighter as you get towards the apex, and then you can expect a release of energy to the upside or to the downside. Again, this one's not perfect. Who knows? But I put it on the chart so you guys can, have a visual here to look at. I don't trade off them though. Anyways, so we'll see what happens today. Again, 128, 128,300 potential support. If that fails, 119.87 is our next level, which is down in here. If we turn this into support and rally, anywhere in here we could find, there's a ton of price levels in here as a overhead resistance. The major one right now, though, is the 140.71. It came into play a couple days back here, like I said, and then the past couple days here, it's come in as well. 140.71. We got lower highs, we got higher lows. The ranges are getting tighter. We had a pretty bearish, very bearish day yesterday in Bitcoin. We are back below the level that I was watching, 96,626.83. We traded up, closed above it. Things got tight here. We actually turned it into support, which was a good sign, which I had mentioned. And then I also had mentioned yesterday we were, again, above it, starting to rally, quickly reversed and got back down below it. That's very normal to see. What is not normal is what was taking place, which was we rallied straight up to it, right above it, traded sideways, turned it into support, and it looked like it wanted to take off again. That's not usually how they work. Usually they'll get up to a level, have a reaction for, X amount of time, could be a couple days, and then another break above it, and then we rally. So what we're seeing here is very normal. We got very close to 100 grand. Time will tell if this is the actual top or not. I wouldn't be surprised either way. Okay, 100 grand's that psychological level. It's a nice number. Time will tell, but who knows? Let me know down in the comments when you think when and if you think we'll recover from this. But this is a pretty bearish candle here. So hey, time will tell. Once we get another close back above 96,626.83, that's when we'll start to look for another all-time high breakout. But until then, time will tell. Time will tell, where we go in here. Below the market, 80,614 support. There is some support in between these two levels. I don't have them on the chart, but yeah, hey, time will tell. All right, back to the Aerodrome chart real quick. Again, Keep your eyes on 128 and 128,300 for today's support. If that fails, 119.87. 119.87. Maybe since some of the selling has hit Bitcoin, we'll see some of that money flow over into different altcoins. So that could be a very positive sign. And that's it. That's all I got here, guys, today. Quick little update. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Of course, not financial advice. We have Velodrome up 19%. Very nice. We just did a video on PNG. Check those out. Catch you guys down in the comments. Take care.